So then, what we currently have here is a beautiful piece of work. We have the LabRats ROM running on the Samsung Galaxy Note 2, the Sprint L900 version. And this is just me showing off a few of the features, some of the stuff that I found that I really like on it. I mean, it is as stable as the stock ROM that comes with the phone, but you have, as you can see, so many more beautiful features. So, excuse me. To start off with, this has the theme called Back to the Goodness, and it is this scene right here. As you can see, it's got a kind of Back to the Future type of look to it, but it is back to the goodness. And if we can focus in on this one spot here, Back to the Goodness Note 2 as the bottom portion right here. That's what that actually says. So the only slight tiny bit of a disappointment is the toggles are, the same as they are from the factory. So unfortunately you don't get those additional toggles that you get with most of the TouchWiz based ROMs for the Note 2, but what you do get is a different sized TouchWiz launcher. And let's see, we'd want to put this, and we can throw it in ROM tools. Google Plus, we go into the communication, the licensing for Cam Scanner, the application which I use to scan all documents. That should go into media. So I classify everything by various headings. Usually I have a lot more headings, but since this little Ubuntu launcher, Unity launcher is actually what it's called, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the size, or I'm sorry, the transparency of it, and launcher bar background color, launcher icon background, excuse me. Let's see here. So then I was able to find these settings for the Unity launcher to get rid of the little bar over here, because who wants to have a stupid little looking bar hanging out on the side of their phone? So what you would do is you go over here to the opacity of the option that you're picking, and we're going to dull down this brightness so that way you can see what I'm doing. So we're going to make it completely opaque. New color. And there you can see nothing now, or it should be nothing now. That's much better, but we know it's there. Want to know why? Because we put it there, for goodness sake. So this is actually really helpful. This eliminates the need for any additional launchers or folders or anything, because I mean, you can be in, let's say, the video player, and then you can see the videos. Oh, wait a minute, I don't want to be in the videos right now. I want to go over to the internet browser. So then you would hit this. Now the only problem that I've run into so far is not really an option right now. I can hold back the back button. The option for the multi-window in the quick toggles is selected for sure. See? Not selected, selected. I'm guessing I'm probably going to have to reinstall the ROM or go into the options and change stuff around. But I mean, overall, this ROM is absolutely awesome. It is just very user-friendly. The only thing that I had to figure out initially was, that's right at the top. I wonder if somebody else might have had this same exact problem somewhere in the not-so-distant past. And here we have it. The multi-window. Flash this if your multi-window will not open. Download file. But of course. So then, I mean, you can see generally, overall this ROM is absolutely awesome. I don't have a negative thing to say about it. Now, even this custom UI that you see, I actually flashed that from the themes updater settings, and within 5 minutes or less it had downloaded it, installed it, maybe 10 minutes for the download and the install, and then just as simple as pie, as soon as you go into the flash recovery mode, then you will of course need to find the LabRats option on the internal storage, I believe. Then once you are in there, you pick your file, you add as many zips as you would like to, and then you of course slide across to install the zip files, and after you are done it will give you the option reboot. Then once you've rebooted, your options will be added in. These options apply for keyboards and just various different options that you want to add in or take out, and so on and so forth. So, thank you for watching. I hope that you have a very good time flashing this ROM. Keep on flashing ROMs. Rock on. Have a great day. So here we are this morning, and we are doing another video on the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. And the video that we're doing today is how to install additional things such as themes when you are rooted. So we are currently rooted. We are in Twerp Recovery. Team Win Recovery Project is what Twerp stands for. And then what we're going to do, we're going to install a new theme. Right now I'm using the LabRats. LabRats ROM. And anyways, we already went into the ROM options and updater and installed, or I should say downloaded, the theme. And then you go into install, and then back to the goodness, Note 2, slide it over, and in case you didn't notice, we're using the blue theme as we're recording this. And then we are going to get the status bar showing us our progress, and when I snap my fingers, presto alakazam, snap snap, our progress is still progressing. And presto alakazam, booyah, you get successful installation. Now we're going to reboot system and see what we shall see and get what we shall.